All right, we're up on Mount Hood, near Mount Hood Meadows, and we're gonna hike up to Umbrella Falls here today. Got Adrian, Shammy, Adrian's mom, Leslie is on the other car of the car somewhere, and Gail was our local host. Oh, here's Leslie. Hey, Davo. Are you ready for a hike? Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's go.
No.
Just a little bit of snow. So a little bit more of an adventure than we expected. More snow up here than we thought we were gonna see, but we're gonna roll with it until we feel like we can't.
Okay.
Sammy!
I forgot she was wearing a mask.
So there's way more snow than we thought, so we're just gonna walk up the road for a little bit. And I don't know, it's nice out. All right, so there's more snow up here than we intended, so we just kind of walked along the forest road and came back to the cars, and we're gonna drive further back down the mountain for another type of waterfall-y hike. I don't know, we're having a good time, keeping it loose today. Plus the mountain's out and it's beautiful. All right, so we came down the mountain a few miles to where it's less snowy, but a lot more people. It's okay, we're gonna have a fun waterfall hike now. So we made it out to the waterfall. It's a pretty warm day, but it's nice and cool getting hit by the mist. Thank you for watching, everyone. I haven't posted in forever, but I've been filming all year long. So stay tuned, lots more exciting videos, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.